Once upon a time, deep inside a beautiful green forest filled with towering oak trees, sparkling streams, colorful wildflowers, and cheerful birds, lived a gentle young deer named Daisy. Daisy was known throughout the forest not because she was the fastest runner or the strongest animal, but because she had the kindest heart anyone had ever seen. Every morning, as the golden sunlight filtered through the leaves, Daisy greeted every animal she met with a warm smile. She believed that even the smallest act of kindness could make someone's day brighter. Whether it was helping a squirrel gather acorns, guiding lost ducklings back to the pond, or sharing juicy berries with hungry rabbits, Daisy never expected anything in return. She simply believed that kindness was the most beautiful gift anyone could give. The forest was always full of life and laughter. Birds sang joyful songs from the tallest branches. Butterflies danced among blooming flowers, and playful fox cubs chased each other through the soft grass. Every animal admired Daisy because she always noticed when someone needed help. If an elderly hedgehog struggled to carry mushrooms home, Daisy would gently carry them on her back. If little birds lost twigs for their nests after a windy day, Daisy spent hours gathering new ones. Even during rainy afternoons, when everyone hurried to stay dry, Daisy would stop to help snails safely cross muddy paths. Her kindness never depended on the weather, her mood, or whether anyone was watching. One sunny morning, Daisy discovered a tiny bluebird sitting alone beneath a tree with a hurt wing. The little bird looked frightened and unable to fly. Daisy carefully approached without scaring it. She gently gathered soft leaves to make a comfortable bed and brought fresh water in a large leaf. Every day she visited the bird, bringing seeds and encouraging words until the wings slowly healed. After several days, the bluebird happily spread its wings and flew into the bright sky again. Before leaving, it chirped gratefully, "I'll never forget your kindness." Daisy smiled warmly and replied, "Seeing you fly again is all the thanks I need." As summer continued, the forest became busier than ever. Families prepared for the coming seasons, gathering food and repairing their homes. Daisy seemed to be everywhere at once. She helped beavers move heavy branches to strengthen their dam before the rainy season. She carried baskets of berries for elderly rabbits whose legs had grown weak with age. She even spent an entire afternoon helping turtles safely cross a busy woodland trail so they could reach a peaceful pond. Some animals wondered how Daisy always found the energy to help everyone. She simply answered, "When you help someone smile, your own heart feels lighter." Not every animal understood Daisy's way of thinking. A clever but selfish fox named Felix often laughed whenever he saw Daisy helping others. "You're wasting your time," Felix would say with a smirk. "Why spend all day helping everyone when you could be relaxing or collecting food just for yourself?" Daisy never argued. She simply smiled and replied, "Kindness is never wasted. It has a way of finding its way back." Felix rolled his eyes and walked away, convinced that Daisy was far too trusting. One afternoon, while gathering flowers near the edge of the forest, Daisy heard frightened squeaking coming from a patch of thorny bushes. She rushed over and discovered a family of tiny field mice trapped inside after searching for food. Thick vines covered every escape route, and the little mice were too frightened to find their way out. Without hesitation, Daisy carefully used her antlers to gently lift the thorny branches while making sure not to hurt anyone. It took nearly an hour, but finally every little mouse escaped safely. Their mother thanked Daisy with tears in her eyes. Daisy simply wished them well and continued on her way. Days later, heavy rain clouds rolled across the sky, bringing the biggest storm the forest had seen in years. Powerful winds bent trees, lightning flashed across the dark sky, and rivers overflowed their banks. Many nests fell from branches, and countless burrows flooded with water. While others hurried to protect themselves, Daisy immediately began helping anyone she could find. She guided frightened baby rabbits to higher ground, helped birds collect scattered eggs before they were washed away, and led lost squirrels towards safer trees. By the time the storm ended, Daisy was exhausted, soaked from head to hoof, but grateful that so many animals had reached safety. After the storm, the forest looked very different. Fallen branches covered the ground, flowers had been flattened, and many animals had lost their homes. Daisy spent every day helping rebuild what had been destroyed. She carried sticks for beavers, gathered soft moss for birds rebuilding nests, and shared food with families who had lost their supplies. Although she became tired, she never complained. She believed that difficult times were when kindness mattered the most. One morning, while helping a family of hedgehogs repair their little house, Daisy accidentally stepped into a hidden muddy pit covered by leaves. The slippery mud was much deeper than it appeared. Every time she tried climbing out, the soft walls crumbled beneath her hooves. She called for help, but the forest was unusually quiet because many animals were busy rebuilding after the storm. Daisy remained calm, hoping someone would eventually hear her voice. Hours passed, and Daisy began feeling worried. Suddenly, she heard cheerful chirping above her. It was the same little bluebird whose wings she had cared for weeks earlier. The bird immediately recognized Daisy and flew across the forest as fast as its wings could carry it. Soon, dozens of birds joined together, chirping loudly to attract attention. Their songs echoed across the trees until nearby animals noticed something was wrong. The first animals to arrive were the family of mice Daisy had rescued from the thorn bushes. Although they were tiny, they immediately began digging away loose dirt from the edge of the pit. Soon, rabbits arrived, carrying long vines that could be lowered into the hole. The beavers Daisy had once helped strengthen the muddy edges with sturdy branches so they would not collapse again. Even the turtles she had guided safely across the trail slowly pushed rocks into place, creating stronger footing. Every animal Daisy had ever helped came together, each doing whatever they could. Watching from nearby, Felix the fox felt surprised. He had never seen the forest work together like this before. Curious, he asked the beavers, "Why is everyone rushing to help just one deer?" One wise old beaver smiled and answered, "Because she has spent her life helping all of us without asking for anything in return. Now it's our turn." Felix quietly lowered his head, beginning to understand something he had never appreciated before. Working together, the animals carefully lowered strong vines into the pit. Daisy wrapped them gently round herself while larger animals slowly pulled from above. After several careful attempts, Daisy finally climbed safely out of the muddy hole. The moment she reached solid ground, cheers filled the forest. Birds circled happily overhead while rabbits jumped with excitement. Daisy looked around at all the smiling faces and realized nearly every animal in the forest had come to help her. With tears of gratitude in her eyes, Daisy thanked every single friend who had gathered. The little bluebird landed gently on her back and chirped proudly. The mice hugged her legs. The turtles smiled warmly. Daisy realized that every act of kindness she had given had quietly planted seeds of friendship throughout the forest. Now, when she needed help the most, those seeds had grown into a beautiful garden of caring hearts. Felix slowly walked toward Daisy, looking unusually quiet. "I owe you an apology," he admitted. "I always believed helping others was a waste of time. But today I saw something incredible. You never expected rewards, yet the entire forest came to save you." Daisy smiled kindly and replied, "Kindness isn't about getting something back. It's about making life better for someone else. Sometimes kindness returns in wonderful ways, but even when it doesn't, it's still worth giving." Felix thought deeply about those words. The very next day, he noticed an elderly badger struggling to carry a basket of mushrooms home. Normally, Felix would have ignored him, but this time he remembered Daisy. He picked up the basket and carried it all the way to the badger's house. The badger thanked him warmly, and for the first time, Felix felt the quiet happiness that comes from helping someone else. He realized Daisy had been right all along. As the weeks passed, kindness began spreading through the forest like sunshine after rain. Animals who had once hurried past one another now stopped to lend a helping paw. Birds shared food with smaller birds. Squirrels collected extra acorns for elderly neighbors. Beavers repaired broken bridges before anyone asked. Even playful fox cubs learned to help younger animals instead of teasing them. Daisy's simple example had inspired the entire forest to become a kinder place. One autumn afternoon, preparations began for the annual Forest Friendship Festival. Every animal contributed something special. The birds decorated trees with colorful feathers. Rabbits arranged beautiful flower gardens. Beavers built a large wooden stage beside the sparkling River, the bears gathered sweet honey, while squirrels collected delicious nuts and berries for everyone to enjoy. It became the biggest celebration the forest had ever seen. During the festival, the wise old owl invited Daisy to stand before everyone. The deer felt shy because she never helped others to receive attention. The owl smiled gently and spoke to the crowd. Today, we celebrate someone who reminded us that true kindness never asks for applause. It simply grows quietly until one day it fills an entire forest. Every animal clapped, chirped, croaked, trumpeted, and cheered together. Daisy blushed with happiness, but reminded everyone that every act of kindness, no matter how small, had helped create this wonderful day. That evening, as the golden sun slowly disappeared behind the hills, Daisy walked peacefully beside the sparkling stream. The little bluebirds sang from above, while rabbits played nearby and turtles rested on smooth rocks. Everywhere she looked, animals were helping one another with smiles on their faces. Daisy realized that kindness was like planting tiny seeds. You might not see them grow right away, but with time, care, and love, they blossom into something far more beautiful than anyone could imagine. From that day forward, every young animal growing up in the forest heard the story of Daisy, the gentle deer who helped everyone. Parents shared her story before bedtime, teachers repeated it during lessons, and grandparents smiled whenever they remembered the day. The whole forest worked together to rescue her. Years later, travelers passing through the forest often noticed something unusual. Animals of every size and species treated one another with respect, compassion, and generosity. When they asked how such a peaceful forest came to be, the animals always smiled and shared the story of Daisy. They explained that true kindness is never lost. Every good deed creates another, and every caring heart inspires another heart to care. Daisy's life became living proof that kindness has a remarkable way of returning, often when we least expect it, and in ways greater than we ever imagined. And so the beautiful forest continued to flourish, filled with friendship, hope, and love, teaching every new generation that the greatest treasure anyone can share is a kind heart, because kindness always finds its way back home.